Igi Cable, a presentation of our products for data centers. We manufacture two special cables for data centers. Uni-9 and Unicell are both designed to be used in the following location within a data center: for the internal wiring of UPS systems, for battery interlinks, for connections from the UPS to the PDU, for connections from the PDU to the bus duct or the end-feed unit. They can also replace bus bar and neutral wiring systems, and they can also be used for load bank connection cables. In the next 3 slides, we will list down some of the data centers where our cables have been installed, as well as a list of our OEM customers. This is a small list of data centers that are using Uni-9 and Unicell cables. We can provide you an expanded list on request. Please pause the video here to read these names. These are a few pictures of our cables in use within data centers. On the top left, Unicell has been used in the Micron data center facility to connect the UPS to the PDU. On the bottom left, Unicell has been used at the Salesforce data center facility to connect the UPS to the PDU. And on the right, Uni-9 has been used at the Amazon data center facility to connect the PDU to the bus duct. This is a small list of customers of UPS OEMs that are using Uni-9 and Unicell cables. In the following slides, we will explain the advantages of Uni-9 and Unicell cables over regular XLPE and PVC cables. As you can see from this table, when comparing cables across cost, flexibility, weight, rated temperature, short circuit current, flammability, and halogen, Uni-9 and Unicell come up on top. Current rating and cost. Uni-9 and Unicell cables give a 20 to 40% cost reduction when compared to regular flexible cables. The current rating is what matters when comparing cables. For example, while the current carried by a 120 square mm PVC cable is 240 amps, the current carried by a 50 square mm Uni-9 and Unicell cable is also 240 amps. This results in a huge copper cost saving in a cable that has the same ampacity. Thermal performance. There are 3 things that we look at when selecting a cable from a thermal performance point of view: the current rating, the temperature rise in that cable for that current rating, and the short circuit current carrying capacity of that cable. Uni-9 and Unicell are designed to be optimized towards this sweet spot. Uni-9 is insulated with a layer of modified HRFR PVC. The cable is therefore stable up to 105 degrees. Unicell is insulated with a layer of modified silicon rubber and is therefore stable up to a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. In the next slide, we will detail the flame performance of our cables. Flame performance. This is a video of Unicell cable when it is subject to a welding torch. The modified silicon rubber used to make this cable is classified as VW1 as per UL 94. Unicell is also zero halogen and conforms to V0 when tested in accordance with UL 758. Uni-9 conforms to HB flame as per UL 758. Both cables have a very low smoke emission. Handling advantage. Handling comprises of 2 things: flexibility and weight. In this video, we are going to compare the cables for your understanding. This is a 120 square mm PVC cable that carries 240 amps. It has a weight of 1.2 kgs and, as you can see, a flexibility of 120 mm. This is a 53 square mm Uni-9 cable that also carries 240 amps. It has a weight of 0.55 kgs and, as you can see, a flexibility of 70 mm. This is a 53 square mm Unicell cable that also carries 240 amps. It has a weight of 0.55 kgs and, as you can see, a flexibility of 45 mm.